ASTA Tech Center presents Primavera P6 lessons. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Primavera P6 Professional. Lesson 16. Administrative Functionality.
In this lesson, we will cover topics such as user and security profiles, admin preferences, admin categories, financial periods, currencies.
Admin functionality, user. In order to define application users, activate users menus of admin, click on Add button to add users. Click on General tab to give login name and password for the new application user. Click on Global Access tab for assigning global security profile to the application user. Click on Project Access tab and assign the responsibility, OBS, to the application user. User and security profiles. Security profiles determine a user's level of access to project information. The security profiles include both global profiles and project profiles. A global profile determines the user's access to applications-wide information. A project profile determines the user's level of access to each project within the enterprise project structure, EPS. It is in control of admin. To add new global profile, click on Add button and grant the privileges by enabling the checkboxes. Depending on privileges, global profile allows or prevents the application users from editing global information, and similarly project profile allows or prevents the application users from editing project information. Admin preferences. In General tab, change first day of week as Monday under starting day of week. In Data Limits tab, change data limits of all items of data to 25 within top section. In bottom section, change maximum activity codes per project to 500, maximum baseline per project to 100 and maximum copied with project to 50. In ID Lengths tab, change all the items of data length to 20. In Time Period tab, change hours week to 48 considering working hours, 8 hours per day and working days, 6 days week from Monday to Saturday. Admin preferences. In Earned Value tab, select Activity % Complete under Techniques for Computing Performance Complete. Under Techniques for Computing Estimate to Complete, ETC, select Estimate to Complete, ETC, is equal to remaining cost for activity. In Options tab, change only My Primavera Server URL, as per availability in your organization. Admin categories. P6 provides a series of application-wise parameters and values that apply to all projects. These settings are to customize the projects to meet specific project management requirements. User or users can view these settings. For this, user must have special security privileges to edit them. The Project Controls Coordinator uses the Admin Categories dialog box to define standard categories and their values for project. Admin categories. Baseline types. Baseline types enable to categorize and standardize baselines across projects. Users have the privilege to create, edit and delete baseline types. Expense categories. Expense categories enable to categorize and standardize project expenses and maintain expense information. Users have the privilege to edit and delete expense categories. WBS categories. WBS categories enable to categorize and standardize WBS elements. Users have the privilege to edit and delete WBS category values. Admin categories. Document types. Document categories. Document categories enable to create, edit, and delete categories for work products and documents. Users have the privilege to standardize, categorize, and maintain work products documents. Document status codes. Document status codes enables to create, edit, and delete document status types. Users have the privilege to identify the current status of work products and documents within a project. Admin categories. Risk type. Risk types. Risk types enable to create, edit and delete risk types or categories of possible risk types. User have the privilege to standardize and classify possible risks across projects. Notebook topics. Notebook topics enable to create, edit and delete notebook topics, typically consists of instructions or descriptions for performing an activity. However, it can also be assigned at EPS, WBS and project levels. Units of measure. It defines unit of measure for material type resources. Financial periods. Financial periods. In Financial Periods dialog box Global, customize financial periods data. Users can store a project's period performance, past period actuals, for any predefined period stated in the Financial Periods dialog box. Under Batch Create Financial Period, adjust the values for last period end date. It automatically creates Batch Start Date for School Project, DSPB. Consider the 20th of December 2022 as Batch Start Date, and consider the 30th of October 2023 as Batch End Date having financial period, on every 4 weeks. Next click Batch Create button, to create the batch. Currency. P6 allows to introduce any new currency to its system for calculation. Click Add button. In Currency tab, information on new currency is provided, in the General tab of bottom layout, where information like currency ID say INR, currency name is Indian Rupee, currency symbol is rupees, and exchange rate is 85 Indian rupees and 68 paise to dollar are provided.
Primavera P6 Software Demonstration. Lesson 16. Topics. Items under the admin menu are in control of the Primavera administrator. However, in a standalone copy of Primavera P6, user is the administrator and has got full access and can change the value of items under admin. In order to do this, click the admin menu and make necessary changes in under Security Profile, Admin Preferences, Admin Categories, Currency, Financial Period and User. Carefully observe the important items and steps shown here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.